Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with the bonus love reads. This is the pending reading for the sign of Aries, as Aries got the most views for the previous reads that I uploaded. This is going to be for the sign of Aries. So yeah, topic of the reading is going to be, will you reunite? If you are in a separation with someone that you really love and you really want to know if you and that person is going to reunite or not, then this reading is definitely going to help you find the answer to that. We will be adding oracle cards in this reading along with the I don't think I will be adding messages because I have many other reads to get done with. So I think I will keep it to just the oracle cards around it. So yeah, stay tuned. And before I dive into the read, let me remind you it is a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the signs and messages which resonates and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also check out other services that I offer as well in the description box. So yeah, let's see, Aries. Whoever it is that you are dealing with, whoever it is that you really want to reconcile with, and you really want to know, will you and that person is going to reunite? Yes or no? Let's find out. Queen of Cups, Page of Wands, Ten of Cups. The answer is a big yes already. Eight of Cups, Seven of Cups. Maybe right now you don't see things happening, but at the same time you need to know one thing. Wow. Underneath the deck we do have the Star. Underneath that we do have the Ace of Cups. The answer is a big yes already. But before you could come together, an ending is a must. And that ending is going to bring the stability that was missing in the connection. Maybe you might have been having on and off with your person, and that ending is going to change everything for the two of you. So I feel like, the ending that you are having right now is going to be the one which is going to be the turning point for you in this connection. You definitely are going to reunite with your person. But yes, trust me, this ending was a must, because this ending had made this connection way too stronger than it was earlier. So I feel like, right now maybe you don't see things working out. Maybe you feel like, things are falling apart. They are not talking to you, you are not talking to them, you guys are not together now. So you might be like, at times wonder, like, would it ever happen? The answer is a big yes. This ending is momentarily. For some of you, maybe this ending that you are having right now with your person, or the time apart, or the detachment that you are having right now, or the separation, I would call it, whatever it is that is happening right now, it's just because otherwise you would not have the kind of life that you have asked for. Now maybe for some of you, let me give you an example. For instance, if you had come together earlier and you maybe married each other or something like that, I feel like, with this lesson that you are learning now, or your person is learning now, this without this lesson you would have ended up the marriage with that specific someone, because the reason why you pulled apart could have been the reason of your separation in terms of the divorce or something as well. So God has saved you from that one thing, and you are going to come together when you both are ready, to understand the connection better, to understand each other better, to the cycle that had that you had to go through, to become your better version, to become, or your person had to go through to become their better version. It was a must. And I feel like, with every passing day, things are changing, things are shifting, things are getting better in the non-physical realm, and you are going to start seeing the results of it. With the passage of time, you're going to see that yes, things are getting better. But yes, I feel like, the reunion is a must, and that too is going to be very fulfilling. I feel like, if there had been some negative situations that you were dealing with your person when you were together back then, I feel like, now you are also mature and your person is also mature to figure things out, to deal with things the better way, so you would never have to part ways ever again. So I do see a reconciliation, not just that, but a very fulfilling one, which is going to be stable, which is going to be lasting forever. For some of you, maybe you or your person had addictions. It doesn't have to be addiction to sex or drugs or anything like that, or alcohol. Maybe it can be addiction to anything, like, it can be addiction to their passion to follow in their career. It could be addiction of you towards them. So this energy is breaking right now. This energy is going away. The addiction in any form is not good. So I feel like, you staying away from them and them staying away from you has taught you both a lot about this connection already. And I feel like, you are definitely going to have a reconciliation very soon. Let's see more cards here. Wow. And like I said, this reunion is going to be lasting forever. And I feel like, for majority of you, this reunion will happen quicker if and only if you stop doubting it. For majority of you, you might be doubting it. Like, for some of you, maybe you are having a very strong faith around it, but for majority of you, you are doubting it. Why? Because you don't see things coming. So that's why you are like, your uncertainty around it is definitely causing you to have a lot of confusion, doubts, and fear around, what if it doesn't happen? What if it doesn't happen? Now, if that's you, if you are, in that situation where you are conflicted around it, it's high time that you cut the confusion out and get a clarity around it that yes, this union is bound to happen. Plus, listen to the divine around it. Like, seek guidance from the heavens, because there is something that you are still not working on. You need to understand that. Now, again, maybe you need to feed your faith more than your fear. Maybe right now you are feeding your fear more than the faith, and that's why where you are like, you don't see things coming, and plus you are getting confused at times that will it ever even happen. So that needs to go. Like we already checked the cards underneath the deck, the star, the ace of cups, 10 of swords, and the ace of pentacles. Now underneath that we have the 9 of pentacles. So again, make sure you're so confident in yourself in the situation that you have a strong faith, where you don't have any doubt that what if that person doesn't come back, what if you don't reunite. No, you definitely will, and that's the attitude to go about it. Let's see the oracle card now. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the read. Wow, these three okay, we have actually, yeah, 3 cards wants to come up. Comfort, I am with you in the time of need, helping your heart to heal. So the universe is, there are certain things that needs to be healed before you could come together. So again, try to connect yourself to the God that you believe in, and try to listen to the guidance coming from the heavens. And try to stay positive around it. The angels are with you. Healthy lifestyle, eat a healthy, healthful diet, get adequate sleep, and exercise regularly for optimal health. Now, it's very important to incorporate healthy lifestyle in your life. Now, for those of you who are in separation from your person for quite some time, maybe you have given up on yourself. Like, you don't care much about you. How do they look? How do you look? How do you dress? Maybe it's high time that you get excited as if your person is about to enter tomorrow or maybe tonight. So what are the things that you would have, wish I wish I had, I had a better clothes to wear. I wish I had my haircut done. I wish I had done this and that. So start doing all those things that you would be doing when you would be with your person. So start doing all those things, because a healthy lifestyle and a lifestyle which is going to align you with the future self of you is going to bring you your wish quicker. Gentleness, be very gentle with yourself at this time. Surround yourself with gentle people, situations, and environments. It's very important for you to stay positive. It's very important for you to stay busy with the things that's going to make you feel even more beautiful, even more confident, and stuff like that, because that's going to be the magnet which is going to bring you what you want quicker. If you really don't do anything at all about this, you might be stumbling upon some delays or blocks around it, but yes, the reunion will still happen. But yes, if you really want things to pace up, quicken the things, you have to do these small little changes in your lifestyle. Make sure you start eating healthy. You're doing maybe meditations every night, or whatever time you choose to do. I usually prefer nighttime, because it's the time when the vibration of the world is more positive as compared to the daytimes, because there's a lot going on out there. So just whenever you can find the peace of mind, maybe you can do that, but I usually prefer it to be the night or evening times. So it's your call, your choice. But yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If it helped you, do like, share, and subscribe. Till I do the next read for you guys, take care, bye.